Let's try one more challenge in the Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Hole, Offset Plane, Plane Along Path, and Fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. We will create the base first. So the base has a diameter of 128 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select a circle, make a circle here with 128. And in this sketch, we will create this 3-point for reference to create this hole. And here we will create a construction line with 65 millimeters of length and another construction line here with 8 millimeters of length. And the distance between this point and the midpoint is 40 millimeters and 35. So select line, a construction line type. Make this sketch here, go to sketch dimension. The length here 65. The distance between this point and this line here is 35 millimeters. 8 millimeters here. And the distance here 40 millimeters. Finish the sketch. The base has 15 millimeters of thickness. So go to extrude, minus 15. The minus is only to change the direction, operation new body, and press OK. Show the sketch 1 again. This hole is a counterbody hole. The counterbody diameter 40 millimeters, the deep 8 millimeters, and the diameter of the circle of the hole is 9 millimeters of diameter. So go to hole, the placement, select from sketch, select this 3-point, the hole type, counterbody, the extend, you can select all, the tape type, select simple, diameter 14 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 9 millimeters, press OK. Hide the sketch 1. Now we will create this plane here, but to create this plane, we will make some steps. And the first step, we will create this offset plane here. The distance between this plane and the front plane is 5.9. So go to construct, offset plane, select the front plane here, the distance 5.9 and press OK. And go to create a sketch, select this new plane. In this new plane, we need to create this point. So to create this point, we will create a line here and this line here. And the distance between this point and this line is 43 millimeters. And the angle between this line here and this one is 37 degrees. So go to create, select the project include, project, selection filter body, select this body here and press OK. Select line, a construction line. Make this sketch here. Make sure that this two line is perpendicular and go to sketch dimension. The distance here 43 millimeters and the angle here is 37 degrees. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint here. Finish the sketch and go to construct, select plane along path, remove the chain here, select this line, the distance here is 1 and press OK. Go to create a sketch, select this new plane here. And in this new plane, we will create a circle with 87 millimeters of diameter and extrude this to this surface. So select the circle. Here in the center of this plane, make a circle here with 87 millimeters of diameter. Finish the sketch, go to extrude. The distance here to object, the object, select this face, operation join and press OK. Now we will create some cut here in this cylinder. So select create a sketch and select this face here. And to make a cut here, we will create this cut. To create this cut, we'll make a circle with 119 millimeters. And we will create this line here. And the distance between this line here and this edge here is 44 millimeters. So select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 119 millimeters, and select a line, make a line here, and go to Project, and select a specified entity, select this circle here, and press OK. And go to Sketch Dimension, click with the right button, select Pick Circle, Arc Tangent, select this point here, and this line. The distance here is 44 millimeters. And go to circle again, make a circle here with 180 millimeters, just to make a cut. Finish the sketch, go to Extrude, I will hide this body a little bit, select this profile, don't select this area. The extended type here will be all, operation cut, and press OK. And now we will create another cut in this face. We will create this cut here, remove this area. So we will select this face here to create a sketch, and we will create this line. And the distance between this line and the midpoint, 15 millimeters. And here it is horizontal vertical with the midpoint. So go to create a sketch, select this face, press letter P in the keyboard, and select this face and press OK. And select a line, make a line here. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the center of this circle, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and the center of this circle is 15 millimeters. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this face here, and the extended type, select it to object, select this face, operation cut, and press OK. And now we will create a hole in this cylinder. So we will create a hole here in the center with 40 millimeters by 30. And we will create a hole here with offset from this surface with 30 millimeters of offset and 45 millimeters of diameter through all this body here. So go to create a sketch, select this circle, press letter P in the keyboard, select this face and press OK. Select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 45 millimeters of diameter, and create another circle with 40 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select the circle with 40 millimeters, minus 30 millimeters of distance, operation cut, and press OK. And show the sketch 6 again, and go to Extrude, select the both circles, and they start, select the offset, minus 30 millimeters, and the extended type, select the all, and flip the direction, and press OK. We made this cut here. Let me flip here. Hide the sketch 6. And now we will create this body here. So to create this body, we will select this face here again to create a sketch. And we will create this line here, and this line here, and this one. And the angle between this line here and this construction line, 55 degrees, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint, 52 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select this face, press letter P in the keyboard, select this face again, press OK, select line, a construction line, make a construction line here, and make a construction line here. Make sure that this construction line is horizontal and vertical line, and select line again, but remove the construction line type, and make this sketch here. Make sure that this line is perpendicular each other, and go to sketch dimension. The angle here, 55 degrees, and the distance between this line and this point here is 52 millimeters. Go to constraint, select coincident, make sure that this point is coincident with this line here, with this circle. And the length of this line, 45 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, this line here has 45 millimeters of length. And finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this, but it has an offset with 5 millimeters. We will create this part here. We will extrude 25 and offset 5 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile. The start, select the offset. The distance here, minus 5 millimeters. And the distance, minus 25. Operation join and press OK. And now we have a fillet here in this corner with 5 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here, this one. The radius here, 5 millimeters, and press OK. And here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.